A KPI dashboard is a single page that tells a manager how the business is doing right now. Good dashboards focus on a handful of key metrics, refresh quickly, and make the answer obvious without scrolling. What counts as a KPI? A KPI, key performance indicator, is a metric that is tied to a goal. For example, pound 1M revenue this quarter, is measurable and time-bound, drives decisions if the number changes, someone acts. Typical business KPIs: revenue, gross margin, customer acquisition cost, churn rate, on-time delivery percent, NPS, conversion rate. Anatomy of a good dashboard. A clean KPI dashboard has 4 zones. Top strip headline KPI cards. 4-6 big numbers with VS target indicators. Trend section line or column charts showing the last 6-12 months. Breakdown section bar charts by region, product, team. Filter controls slicers and timelines on the top or side. Building the KPI cards. Use large cell text and conditional formatting. Revenue, MTD, £128,540, plus 12% vs target green if positive. Merge a few cells for visual weight. Use equals text value, pound number #0 for clean formatting. Add an icon set conditional format on a vs target percent cell for markers. Connecting multiple charts. Build all charts from the same source table. And use one set of slicers with report connections to drive every chart at once. Refresh and reliability. A dashboard is only useful if it's current. Source data should live in a table so it auto-extends. Put the Data Refresh button, Data Refresh All, somewhere obvious if you use Power Query. Add a last refreshed. Equals now. Timestamp that updates on refresh. Try this. Build a management dashboard. Create 4 KPI cards: revenue, orders, OVG order value, percent versus target. Add a line chart of monthly revenue, last 12 months. Add a bar chart of revenue by region. Insert slicers for region and year. Connect them to every pivot chart. Apply a consistent color scheme and a clear page title.